Welcome to the Future of Real Estate, your chance to find out what's going on in real estate and the real estate market. This morning's show is brought to you by the Ellis team at RE/MAX Realty Group. RE/MAX's award winner for most transactions in Florida.
With the Ellis team at RE/MAX, it's a family affair. Always call the Ellis team, they'll handle you with care.
Welcome back to the Future of Real Estate. I'm Brett Ellis of the Ellis team at RE/MAX Realty Group. Don't forget our website, which is topagent.com. We're to the point where we're going to talk about our featured properties of the week. These are hot properties that really stand out for value, location, or something unique about them. But they're all listed with the Ellis team, so that we know they're good bargains. And if you want to take virtual tours of these properties, you can even search the entire MLS. Just remember, topagent.com, one of the best places to go in Southwest Florida real estate. So let's start. What do we have, Sandy, that's hot this week?
Well, Brett, this is an exceptional property. This happens to be on Sloop Lane in St. James City. It's a beautiful home. It's in Cherry Estates. That's really great waterfront, deep water access. This unit's about 1,523 square feet of living area. Got a lot of beautiful features. Take a look at the kitchen. You know, lots of good storage, good cupboard space. Really nicely done. But truly outstanding is this dock area. It's actually three-tiered, so it's beautiful deck, dock. It just doesn't get better than this, and you'd have your own...
it looks like you have your own boat lift there.
Boat lift there, yeah.
And you got great waterfront right out, so you could get a fairly decent-sized boat there right out. And
good-sized boat,
no bridges,
deep water, yeah. You just right out up there into the sound. So it's really a great
How much
property.
is that one?
And we have that on the property at $275,000.
Wow.
Good price.
Nice for the waterfront like that.
Yeah.
Okay, now what's this here?
Now, this property, Brett, this is actually in the forest. This is an exceptionally
I like the forest.
property.
I love the golfing.
Great area, gated, 2 championship golf courses, the Bear, the Bobcat. And then one of the neat things about the forest is that you can live there and you don't have to belong to the golf course, you know?
That's one of the things I like about the forest.
Yeah, you can do social memberships, there's tennis, there's all kinds of activities there. But again, it's by your choice. Now, this property happens to be about 2,859 square feet of living area. We have it on the market for $375,000. It's kind of unique in that it has the master suite on the first floor, absolutely incredible kitchen with silestone countertops, beautiful pool area with a spa. But in addition to that, there's a second level that has a couple suites up there and also like a study, loft, game room, really nice. Okay. So give us a call on that property. I don't think that one will last very long.
Alrighty. Now, here's a property. This is out in Lehigh, isn't it?
That's in Lehigh, Brett.
All right.
And that one is actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's on the market for $45,000. Has a really nice kitchen, nice open area. Got a shot of that, I think, somewhere. Look how nice and open that is. And the third bedroom actually probably was formerly a carport, and they converted it 3rd bedroom, 2-bath. But isn't that a nice, beautiful kitchen area?
This is nice, beautiful. So that's a nice
Very
open
nice
floor plan
open,
for $45,000.
$45,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, a nice area of Lehigh. It's on
Now, what is this
Bougainvillea.
here?
Now, that happens to be a property in Emerald Pines, and we have that one on the market for $325,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, beautiful driveway there, beautiful backyard. In that there's absolutely nothing behind it. Well, I mean, there's a house behind it, but it's
I kind of get a glimpse
a
of
long
it
ways away. Yeah,
from this shot here. But look
yeah.
at that that's
Isn't
a family
that a
room,
nice
right?
family room? Yeah, beautiful area, and gorgeous kitchen.
I like
again.
the wood
Top
floors
of
and
the
the
line cabinets. Yeah,
I like the wood floors and the cabinets with that stainless steel refrigerator too.
Yeah, beautifully done. This is a home you want to see.
Now look at this backyard and pool area.
Gorgeous pool, spa, very, very private again because there's not a house. I mean, there is a house back behind it, but it's on a big parcel of land. And
you can throw some parties over here.
Yeah, this is definitely a party home. Yeah.
And how much did you say this one was? $3?
We have that on the market for $325, but it's got a pool, a spa, and a little swim out there. If you notice that, isn't that nice?
That is swim out. Yeah. You can. It's nice. It's not a swim out, but you could kind of lay out, stay cool, and still get your sun.
Absolutely.
And so that's great. So, these are just some of our hot properties. We've got a lot more, don't we?
Oh, absolutely. And give us a call. Tell us what you're looking for. But my guess is if you've seen these and they have interest to you, please give us a call because they're really nice.
Well, we enjoy bringing you some hot properties each week, and this is just a sampling of what we have.
That's right.
If you're interested in listing your home, this is the kind of thing we could do for you. But if you want to search the entire MLS, maybe you're interested in one we have, but we've got buyer agents standing by right now. Or if you want to search in the privacy of your own home at 2:30 in the morning, you can do it. Simply remember topagent.com. You can search the MLS. You can take virtual tours of all of our properties, and we do virtual tours of all our properties. So much you can do. You can search the neighborhoods, get maps, all kind of cool stuff.
Right, and sometimes even behind the listings, if we have a survey or we have information about the subdivision, we'll upload that. So what we want to do is provide you as much information as we can to help you with your home search.
Absolutely. And it also helps people who aren't necessarily familiar with our area learn about the area. They can learn about maybe the schools or fun things to do on the weekends, or, kind of get a sense of where this community sits within Lee County. Is it close to their work? Is it close to the airport? Is it close to, whatever? And we get some people to say, well, what's the internet access there?
That's true.
Do we have cable? Do we
Yeah.
have, the phone company? Do we have the DSL?
What about the roads?
So that's what we're all about, is educating people as to what you can do with these properties.
And if you have any other questions that we're not thinking of right now, give us a call. We're here to help you.
239-489-4042, or visit our website, which is topagent.com. You've been watching The Future of Real Estate, presented by the Ellis team at RE/MAX. Stay tuned. Next week, we'll have more news and information regarding Southwest Florida real estate.